To make pizza dough, first add 2½ cups, 325 grams, of flour and 1 teaspoon, 3 grams, of instant yeast to a bowl. Then, add 2 teaspoons, 8 grams, of sugar, ½ teaspoon, 3 grams, of salt, 1 tablespoon, 3 grams, of dried oregano, and ½ tablespoon, 5 grams, of garlic powder, and whisk the dry ingredients together. Add in 2 tablespoons, 15 milliliters, of olive oil, and then gradually pour in 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of warm water, folding it into the dry mixture. Continue to mix everything until it sticks together and starts to form dough. Flour your work surface and knead the dough for 5 minutes. Shape the dough into a ball with your hands. Next, coat the inside of a bowl with oil. Place the dough in it and cover the bowl with a cloth. Let the dough rise for 1 hour before using it in your recipe.